Hey everyone, welcome to Prosperous Life Finance, where I hope educate you in becoming a better trader and investor. In this video, we're going to be looking at Nikola stock. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So Nikola Corporation essentially designs and manufactures battery electric and hydrogen electric vehicles, electric vehicle drivetrains, vehicle components, energy storage systems, and hydrogen fueling station infrastructures, along with developing vehicle solutions for military and outdoor recreational applications. So on their main website, we see how it says Nikola Motor Company is a pioneer in electric heavy-duty applications. They offer both pure electric and also hydrogen electric powertrains to cover Class 8 in transportation. And going down here, you do see their products, including the Nikola Badger, which is a fully electric and hydrogen fuel cell electric pickup truck, which has already started pre-orders. You can go ahead and go up here to the Investors tab to get more information about this company. So first and foremost, the information in this video is going to be strictly from their website and will allow you to create your own personal opinions on this company. So as we start off with stock information on their website, we do have a chart where, as you can see, a 1 day, 5 day, few months, year to date, and here we can see how it has performed within the past 3 months. Under that, you do get some more information such as the volume, the intraday price, and the open and close, as well as the percent change. So some of the most important information you can see is going to be under SEC filings and financials, as well as news, events, and presentations. So let's go ahead and look at more information about this company. As you can see, their vision is to be the zero emissions commercial transportation system leader. Here you do get more information about how they plan to do this and all the different details when it comes to this company. Going down here, you actually do see many more business strategies in which they plan to implement, and also facts about this company, such as their founder, where they're based at, and the truck reservations and capital raised to date. Now going on to our documents, we do see how we have the North America financial overview. This shows the financial summary of the current year and the future projections. Now one thing to take note is that, as we can see here, for this present year, there is no current total revenue, which is one very important thing to consider. This is due to the fact that they do not have a current track record, as there are no logged in revenues. Now the good thing is that they do have projections for the next few years. As you can see, they do plan on having over $3.2 billion in total revenue in the year 2024, with over 7,000 of the BEV trucks sold and over 5,000 of the FCEV trucks sold. As you can see down here, they do have more information. The North America BEV production is projected to begin in 2021, and the FCEV production is projected to begin in 2023. They do plan on having over $3.2 billion of revenue by the year 2024. And getting into more financial metrics, they do have an expected steady state of EBITDA margins of over 25%. So taking a look at Nikola Corporation here on Yahoo Finance, we do see some things about the company, which includes its market cap. Its current market cap is around $19 billion, which is a very large market cap. As you can see here, the only downside is that there are no current metrics in order to base your investment decisions from. As you can see, the only information you currently have is about the stock price, the volume, and its market cap. So while it isn't the end of the world, having lots of metrics such as the beta, the PE ratio, the EPS, etc., this information is actually very crucial whenever you are evaluating a company. And as you can see, the 1 year target estimate is around $79 per share. So now let's go ahead and look at a technical standpoint of this stock. So here I have pulled up the TD Ameritrade Think or Swim trading platform. And as you can see, I have a few indicators, which include the volume, the MACD, the RSI, and the 9 exponential moving average line, which is this blue line that you see here. So we are currently looking at a 20-day chart, and as you can see, it did have a high of around $97.41, and then after that it did start to sell off quite massively right after that. And as you can see, the current price right now is currently at around $52.90. So going back to the high of $97.41, you do see how the MACD was actually indicating a selling signal, which after that there was a massive sell-off. Also, the RSI was actually showing signs that this was an overbought stock, which did show an overvaluation. And as you can see, this overvaluation metric along with the MACD telling us to sell would have given us a very good idea that the stock was actually going to start selling off right after that. And if we look at the stock right now, the RSI has actually shown us that this stock is currently undervalued, and we did actually get a buy signal not so long ago, and as you can see, another buy signal is slowly starting to form over here. So this leads to the question, is Nikola stock a current buy right now? So when it actually comes to investing, you always have to perform your own due diligence and tons of research. Now in my opinion, if you're a trader and you are looking to make short-term profits, there are many indicators which actually are currently telling us to buy, so that is one thing to look at. On the other hand, if you're a long-term investor and you care more about the fundamentals rather than the technical aspects of a company, you do have main things to consider, which include no current revenues and only future projections and outlooks, which you're going to be basing your decisions off of. So one thing I recommend you guys to do is to once again do your own research on this stock and do not take advice from anyone. Depending on the type of investor you are, depending on your own risk level and risk tolerance, I do think that this stock should be approached with lots of caution, as this stock did run up in price very quickly and then started to sell off. So these are just things to look at whenever you are investing in any company. So this was a more technical look at Nikola stock. So I hope you guys were able to gain some very valuable information within this video. Once again, I advise you guys to perform your own due diligence and proper research before investing in any company, whether it is a short-term trade or a long-term investment. This is one company to definitely keep an eye out. One thing that I personally would like to see more are actual numbers such as revenues and profits to get a better idea of their current financial health. But once again, that is just my current opinion, as it can change over time. And if you actually see value in this company, I do think it is worth looking at. So once again, thank you all for watching. God bless you all, and I will see you all within the next video.